after being on the dating app for probably 3 to 4 years, I was genuinely looking for a relationship. You could say I was relationship shopping also. This is me right now finally admitting it. Dating apps are a scam. There, I said it. Dating apps are a scam. I uninstalled the app the other day, and for the first 2 days, I will be honest with you guys, यहाँ पे कोई मजाक कुछ ये नहीं है, झूठ बोल के भी क्या करूँ मैं. I was genuinely having withdrawal symptoms from this app. I had this constant urge to check my phone. Did I match? And then I just realized, Kyari, I don't have the app anymore in my phone. See, the whole point of dating app is to actually find love, to meet somebody, to actually go out on dates, and to find somebody. If you find somebody, that's great, and then uninstall at the end of the day the app, right? But when they hold people from you, aka hide profiles from you, only for you to see when you subscribe to a premium package, that right there is a very shady business in my books. मतलब खिलवाड़ कर रहे हो आप लोगों के इमोशन के साथ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, ये भी लगता है कि इफ़ यू फाइंड द लव ऑफ योर लाइफ लाइक राइट नाउ, अभी आप ऐप खोलते हो और आपको मिल जाता है, किससे कनेक्ट हो जाते हो, क्लिक हो जाते हो, तो भाई उनका धंधा कैसे चलेगा, उनका बिजनेस कैसे चलेगा? आप ऐप डिलीट कर दोगे, यूर लाइक हाँ मुझे तो मेरी बंदी मिल गई है, अच्छी है, सही है, व्हाटएवर. दे विल लूज देयर बिजनेस एंड दे डोंट वांट दैट टू हैपन. नो, वो कैसे होगा? अब अगर ऐप ही डिलीट कर दोगे तो बिजनेस चलेगा कैसे? सी, गोइंग premium, buying the premium package, when you pay for such dating apps to find premium people, it's like buying into fast fashion. ये भी फास्ट फैशन कैसा है, ये भी अच्छा दिखता है, ये भी अच्छा दिखता है, ये भी अच्छा दिखता है, ये तो ट्रेंड में है भाई, ये तो चाहिए ही हमें हमारे वार्डरोब में अभी के अभी. It's just the same as you're trying to buy a partner for yourself online. Then you're like scrolling, आपको और ऑप्शंस पॉप होते हैं, and then you're like, oh, ये भी अच्छी दिखती है, वो भी अच्छी दिखती है, and then you have too many options to choose from, which makes the choice even harder to commit to. Having too many choices will only get you distracted and make you want to keep using the app. That's it. That's how the business for any dating app is working at the moment. I get that. You want to make money and do business, but people, you guys, you and me, us, we need to know that this is the scheme. पहले से ही transparency रखेंगे तो ही समझेगा, right? कि क्या हो रहा है actually behind the scenes. What's up, you beautiful people? Kem Cho Bada. This is Aditi, and you're listening to Kaipan Aditi, where we talk about anything and everything, past, present, and future, and overthink it all. Yes, we do. Today, we will be talking about modern world dating and how it works. How it's a money grabbing scheme, just the whole ins and outs of it, and how I've totally given up on the app. So, recently I deleted the dating app. I literally screamed, I am so fucking done. I am sure a lot of you guys might have been in my place where you're like, नहीं होता है, बस अब नहीं होता है, कितनी बार से आप पे हो गए, एक ही तरह के. So you go ahead, you delete the app, and after a certain point in time आप फिर सोचोगे अरे नहीं री-डाउनलोड कर लेते हैं, फिर से डाउनलोड करते हैं, and again आप में वो होप आ जाती कि नहीं अब कोई मिल जाएगा, अब कोई और मिल जाएगा, बिकॉज अब तो 3-4-6 महीने हो गए, अब तो नए ऑप्शंस आ चुके हो गए, या नए कोई आया होगा, तो देन वी माइट क्लिक, वी माइट फाइंड दैट एंडलेस होप of trying to find love is how they trap you. आप री-डाउनलोड किए, फिर डिलीट किए, फिर री-डाउनलोड किए, फिर डिलीट किए. Yes, I have been there, I have done that, and let me assure you, let me break that bubble for you. I have still not found anyone. It has still not worked out for me, and also I have wasted a lot of time on people who do not really know what they want, and either they don't know what they want, or they don't match my value or vibe, period. That's that. So The other day I saw there were like 1500 people who had swiped right on my profile, which I couldn't see, of course. So the app was like, hey मैडम आप साइन अप कर लो, सबसे सस्ता वाला हमारा 1 वीक का पैकेज है प्रीमियम का, तो आप हमें कुछ 250-300 रुपये दो फॉर 1 वीक ऑफ प्रीमियम एंड हम आपको ये 1200 लोग दिखा देंगे. So I got that. I browsed through almost all of the 1200. I knew I could not go through so many profiles, but then you have to like put in filters to figure out. So I told myself, after so much disappointment, कि भाई चल one last shot, ले premium. So I did that. I was like, देख तो कोई अच्छा लगता है क्या अभी 1200 profiles में से. होप एक कुत्ती चीज़ है. I ended up swiping right on one of the profile. I was like, देखते ना, चलना, देखते. Like I still pushed myself. I was like, am I not pushing myself hard enough to go out there? Like, what is happening? I pushed myself. I swiped right on one of the profiles. I usually very, very often I check the profile, I read the bio, I see what his requirement is, whether he's looking for something serious or whether he wants to do time pass, whatever. This time I was like, इतने सारे profile है, जो भी photo अच्छा लगता है कर दे. I did that. His name was Anish. His profile said he was not sure what he was looking for on the dating app. And I never swipe on such people because I want somebody, who is at least sure कि relationship चाहिए, वरना हम time pass कर रहे हैं, as I said. ऐसा time pass करना है तो मैं gym जा सकती हूँ, abs बना सकती हूँ. इतना time pass नहीं होगा मेरे से. But अब hope तो रखनी है. So we got into talking. He said he was very lonely and so he signed up on this dating app. Which by the way मैंने उसे पूछा भी नहीं था करके, हाय क्यों आया है तू ये ऐप पे. I did not ask him this. This was a self provided information. और वो भी ये ना within first 3 minutes of the conversation है ये जो मैं बता रही हूँ, ठीक है. So he said I was feeling very lonely and that is why I signed up on this app. Then he goes on and says he's looking for blah blah blah, clear communication, transparency चाहिए उसको, कोई doubt नहीं होना चाहिए, कोई गलत expectation नहीं होना चाहिए, तो पहले से ही हम ऐसा transparency रखेंगे and ऐसा होना चाहिए, etc. Which again I did not ask him. I responded and I told him कि भाई ये तो तू झूठ बोल रहा है. And he was like कैसे? So I was like, तेरे प्रोफाइल में तो लिखा है कि यू डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एंड हियर यू आर टेलिंग मी कि दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, even though I did not ask you for that. He automatically unmatched me and I laughed out loud. I feel as a woman it was a very aggressive conversation. Like he kept on telling me ऐसा मेरा ये है, मेरा वो है, मेरा ये expectation है, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए है, without even bothering to ask कि मेरे क्या passion है, मेरे क्या needs है, मेरे क्या wants है. He was all about him. I was like, okay, boy, bye. And he was the first to unmatch, just letting you know. Because when I opened my mouth and I told him that, hey, तेरे प्रोफाइल में तो ऐसा लिखा है बट तू यहाँ पे कुछ और बोल रहा है, ये दोगलापन तो नहीं चलेगा बॉस यहाँ पे. So for every unmatch I have gotten in the past, I felt either not good enough or I fell into the hole of, did I do something wrong? The stress and anxiety that comes with dating app is unreal. I mean, social media कम है for stress and anxiety to happen कि अब dating apps भी stress दे रहे हैं. Trust me when I say this. In fact, I saw Tanmay Bhatt on this app. I saw Ranveer Alabadia Beer Bicep on this app. I've seen some big names, okay? I've even seen Karan Kundra on this app. So I'm telling you, people have tried giving this app a shot, but I don't think it's really working out for anyone. Shit. I'll tell you, I remember the first time ever downloading the dating app. I think I wanted to ride the wave and I wasn't even aware कि ऐसा app exist भी करता है and that you can relationship shop or that's how you meet new people in the area. And so my entire class back in Berkeley was on this app, and so I said, let me see what the hype is about. I downloaded the app, and in fact I went out on a date, which is my very first episode, by the way, on this podcast. I think it was called That Awkward Date, and I narrated the story. Something, अगर आपने सुना नहीं होगा, तो that's my very first episode. I asked out this guy, and he said yes, and it was a good start. By the end of the date, I told, before, not even by the end of the date, जब हम डेट के पहले जब हम जा रहे थे, I was very scared. I was very nervous. I was shit scared. I was 23. I think he was 1 या 2 साल बड़ा होगा. I don't know. I messaged my friend who encouraged me to go out on this date. I told her, hey, if you do not hear from me in the next hour, please call 911 because some shit has went down and I'm trapped or something like that. I was that shit scared. Yes. I told my friend this right before going to the date. यार मैं 23 साल की थी, मैं बाहर थी, वो भी मेरा कोई नहीं था वहाँ पे. कोई आके अगर मेरे को कुछ हो जाता तो I'm always been that hyper active in the survival mode. Fight या flight वाला सीन था मेरा जब तक मैं US में थी, and it was shit scary यार, shit scary. Anyways, वो पूरा story first episode में सुन लो जाके वापस. So here are 4 reasons to break your dating app habit and what to do instead of dating apps. कैसे मिलना है लोगों को, कहाँ मिलना है, किधर है लोग. Number 1, मुझे ऐसा लगता है you're wasting your leisure hours. आपके पास खुला टाइम है. The time you're spending on dating app is time you could spend bettering yourself in case you ever do go out and meet a person. So see, once you delete the app, you'll notice that कि आपके पास time है, time ही time है. And I think dating the app will also leave a lot of head space for you to work through. मुझे ऐसा लगता है you should work on yourself, work on healing your past traumas, bad patterns, figure out आप last relationship से current relationship में क्या baggage लाते हो, how do you present the best version of yourself, raise your vibe, raise your energy, figure out if you think you cannot break the ice, maybe get this card, we are not really strangers. Card games तो बहुत सारे हैं to break the ice, to play the game. It's fun. Number 2, you're just not having fun, aka it's emotionally taxing, it's emotionally draining you down. Listen, if you're not having fun, then nothing is worth it. Being in the highest state of joy and gratitude is the energy you want to be in, and anything less than that is just not acceptable. You do not respect yourself. If you're not having fun and you're still doing it, मुझे ऐसा लगता है you don't respect yourself, period. It's just waste of time. Not finding something that brings you joy, ये प्रॉब्लम है. तो अब साइन अप करो, फिगर आउट करो आपको क्या चीज़ करोगे तो आपको हैप्पीनेस मिलता है. Maybe it could be signing up for this yoga class, group class, kickboxing. Maybe you've been avoiding this for some time. Do something that you're scared of. Maybe you need some distraction in this meantime. So sign up for this cooking class, learn a new language, sign up to volunteer at a shelter. Maybe you just might actually finally have the chance to meet somebody you vibe with and you might have something in common with in this class. This would get you a lot closer to dating somebody you actually like than you finding somebody on the app and taking them out, period. Just, I think signing up for a class is the best way. Yeah, take it from me. Number 3, you've forgotten how to have in-person chat. This is something that I struggle with every day. You see, virtually, we're all like keyboard ninjas by now. In fact, there was a time where I've told people, let's chat first, see if we vibe before we get on a call. Turns out, I don't know how to communicate in real life situations. Like, I think my communication method is writing, typing, script writing, I don't know, writing where I can express better, but like it can get pretty awkward pretty quickly if you are on my face. That's why, that is why you need to find hobbies and find somebody you might actually have the same hobby. मतलब दोनों का सेम अगर हॉबी रहा तो ना कॉन्वर्सेशन आसानी से फ्लो होता है, आसानी से. you're not, कोई प्रेशर नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, ज़ीरो एक्सपेक्टेशन. वाइब करोगे तो करोगे, नहीं करोगे तो नहीं करोगे. सो एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. आई वॉज शॉपिंग फॉर सेकेंड हैंड बुक्स the other day, and there was a guy who was buying like huge piles of book, like थप्पी बोलेंगे ना, 10 से 20 बुक्स एवरी स्टैक. 2 या 3 स्टैक हो गए उसके पास वहाँ पे, तो 10 to 20 बुक्स इन ईच स्टैक. And I was like, oh shit, he is serious. And he was like, yeah, he was casually asking and looking around and stuff like that. And I just hopped up and like, I knew my shit, okay? I know books. I can talk about books for hours. And so we were standing both side by side. I was like, hey, I see you buying books. Have you tried this book? And have you tried that book? And that's how the conversation started and just flew. And there was zero awkwardness, zero bad vibe. Like it was just a random conversation with a random person on the street. And those are the best kind of chats, I feel. Yeah. The apps, number 4. The apps are more rewarding for hot people. The hot crowd. मुझे ये तो पक्का कंफर्म है भाई साहब, इसमें कोई डाउट है नहीं और रखना भी नहीं. The app is more rewarding. कोई भी ऐप, एक ऐप आप दिमाग में आपके होगा, बट ये सभी ऐप्स के साथ ऐसा है. The apps are more rewarding for the hot people. So this is like very universal fact. The hot crowd, the top 1% gets all the likes. Everybody wants that hot person to date. Simple hai. You really get all types of crude nonsense thrown at you on the app. Basically, a standard has been set where people find themselves comparing that you might never be enough for this person to ever swipe right on me. मतलब वही हो गया ना, वो कंपैरिजन वाला ये हो गया ना कि भाई ये तो यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट है कि अगर हॉट है तो उसको टॉप 1% जो भी है वो लोग, उनको एकदम फ्लड में लाइक्स मिल रहे हैं. बट ना वो जो अनरियलिस्टिक स्टैंडर्ड सेट हो गया है कि, और ऐसा भी सेल्फ डाउट भी आ जाता है कि यार अरे मेरे में क्या है, मेरे को कोई क्यों स्वाइप करेगा, कुछ भी नहीं है, ये तो सामने वाला तो इतना हॉट दिखता है, मेरे को क्यों स्वाइप करेगा. इट्स जस्ट स्टार्टिंग टू फील लाइक dating apps are just another social media platforms. They are filling you with more self-doubt. Who wants to feel like that? Romance in itself is very hard. We don't want dating apps to do that. Anyways, I hope you got my point. I was clear enough to comprehend this topic. Praying for all of us to have the love we desire. And if not, what's the big deal? Live to love yourself harder every single day. Choose to stay happy every single day. Figure out what brings you joy. मैं क्या करूँगी तो मेरे को कैसा खुशी मिलेगी, मेरे को कैसा happiness मिलेगा. Things will automatically fall in place for you as soon as you start enjoying life. You will find somebody. Have this belief. Everything is rigged in my favor. जो भी हो रहा है मेरे ही फेवर में हो रहा है. मैं ऐसा ही लेके चलती हूँ. मेरे को रिजेक्शन मिल रहा है, चलो मैं ही बच गई, किसी कुछ बला टली बोलेंगे ना, राइट. मैं यही फैक्टर लेके चलती हूँ. एवरीथिंग इज़ वर्किंग आउट इन माई फेवर. ये नहीं मिला रहे, मेरे फेवर में हुआ है, बस. सिंपल एज दैट. That's it. I'll see you in my next episode. This is Aditi and you're listening to Kai Pan Aditi. See you next Sunday. Bye.